brand new Super Speed?
Yeah.
Well, you had these
look how faded the lights were too.
Well, how long you had those for?
Since COVID.
COVID? Well, hey.
3 years.
Yeah. I did pretty good for 3 years.
Yeah. Well, I'm definitely not complaining.
Yeah.
These hot clips are dog.
What's up, gangsters? Welcome to a new video. Thanks for joining me. I really appreciate it. So today's video is about the RX-7. We're gonna do some upkeep, upgrades, and some updates to the car, which are much needed. So I have a few things. Okay, so stop. But I wanted to create a video on the RX-7 because I'm planning to take the car to Neptune Speed to get some of the maintenance done. So I wanted to show you what I was gonna have Yoshi, the mechanic over there, install for me, because I could show you right here before it's installed. So some of the updates: the floor mats in the car are really brittle, and if you take them out, they kind of retain the same shape, and a lot of the rubber on the bottom is starting to break apart. So I wanted to buy some new floor mats to update the car, and because it's much needed, it really helps protect the carpet. So I'm actually planning to get a detail for the car detailed, trying to get the interior detailed by one of the local detailers. So first, I wanted to show you guys the floor mats that I bought from Garage Alpha, and do some unboxing. Kind of started this on a little bit already. So there's 3 different options they offered, and it's regarding the thickness of the floor mat, and they also offer different colors. And what's cool about them is they also offer, you can add the RX-7 logo. So I wanted to keep my car most like OEM plus kind of style, and so I went with the black on black model, and I got their higher end model, which was the Lux, and so it's going to be a little bit thicker, and definitely looks like higher quality and lasts longer. So I'm looking forward to it, and I of course for sure got the RX-7 logo. So let's see, let's pull these out, and let's see how it looks. So I used to order the 2 fronts. So definitely looks pretty thick, a lot better than the OEM, and let's get the money shot right here. You ready? Let's see. Bam! Beautiful. Strong. And you can see it has the grips, and it also has the hole right here, so they don't slide all over the place. Now this box is a sunshade from Covercraft. I ordered on Amazon, and I looked up the part first on their website, and I saw it was the same, so just wanted to make sure. And it wasn't too expensive, and I got 2-day shipping, and these are made to order. Try not to dig in there too much. So I'm cut the product. It was made to order, and it said 2 weeks, but I actually got it pretty quick, maybe quicker than that. I think it came after the order. It came in 1 week. So we'll see how it goes. Looks like they sent me the wrong product. So looks like they just sent me the case. I'm not sure if they're gonna send the product separately, but they sent me the wrong thing. So time to reorder. So like I said, from Mazda-Trix, I ordered this kit. It was already there at the front door because it's local to me at Signal Hill. So I got the renewal lubricants, 1030 oil change kit from Mazda-Trix. Comes with 5 quarts, as you see, and then it came with oil filter, the washer, and a oil drain plug. Boom! All in one shot. So really convenient. Saves that money on shipping since it's local. But I heard a lot of good things. Talked to the person at one of the owners or representatives at least at 7 stock in 2022. So heard really good things. They're running on their race car, and you know, should be really cool. Finally, well, not so finally, but got the Bonsai Racing Jolly Rancher kit. That's fine. I got their upgraded 2 kilowatt starter. So it's an upgrade from stock. A lot beefier from what it looks like. Looks a little bit bigger. I saw comparison pictures, and then I actually having a problem with my current starter, or at least the part where it connects to. It has been coming loose, so I lowered my car recently, and I think it's once it hits something, and since it's not on there, it doesn't feel like it's securely on there. It just, you know, I can slide in and out easily, but you can do it with 1 finger or 2 fingers. So it's not really secure in there. So hopefully this might address that. I can see this one is kind of bent compared to the stocked. My stock one was straight on, like just straight, and I'm not sure if this got bent during shipping or not, but it just comes out in and out easily. So hopefully when I do this relay kit, the Bonsai Racing relay kit, it might go there on a little bit more secure. I believe this attaches to that part. I could be wrong, but from what I saw in the pictures, it looks like this might address the problem. Like I said, maybe this is bent for a reason. Maybe it goes on a little bit secure, keeps it safe from hitting anything, you know, any external objects or anything coming underneath your car to prevent that. I'm not sure, but we'll see. Cool. Now we have the moment of truth. I know the tech's not working, but let's see. So the car is on, and I'm about to turn it off, and we'll see if it starts up. So, car is off. You can see the oil pressure drop. Now let's try starting it back up. I drove it around right now for a little bit, so we'll see. Boom, starts right up. Definitely a lot more cranking power on this one. It started right up, pretty nice. So, thank you Neptune Speed and for installing this, and Bonsai Racing for your part. Really appreciate it. Alright guys, so today we're doing a deep clean on the interior. I personally am not, but a professional detailer is. So I bought this car. It was sitting over a year, actually almost 10 years, not touched in the garage, open garage. So you can see the wear and some of the buildup and nastiness all over the chairs. Interior is kind of messed up, but you know, one of the biggest concerns is the chairs, of course, also the carpet. I don't know what's been underneath there and all the buildup and grossness that has been accumulated throughout the years. I'm not sure what was happening before that, so it's all a mess. So these floor mats are gonna go. They're old, like I said, on the bottom they're starting to deteriorate. If you look, I'll bring them out right now. If you look at the chairs, they're torn and worn out and really dirty. Has like a little brown tint to it over here, as you can see. A lot of nasty stuff underneath. In the back, back's all dirty. And I have cleaned this before, but there's a lot of things underneath that I can't get. So today's mission, get this car ready for detailing. I'm gonna remove the seats, some plastic crap. Going to remove these floor mats. Nasty. So a lot of this crap comes from the bottom of the floor mats. Here's another look at the floor mat from a better angle. Trash. All bolts out. Found a little bit of rust. I'm gonna put some rust removal and etcher or something so it doesn't rust again.
Okay, here at Next Detail, gonna do a interior detail on this 3rd generation RX-7. Seats are out. Original owner stuff. Carl's Jr. Creamer from 1994. Checkbook. Need to cut your nails? Yes. I can't find my nail clippers, so I think I'll keep those. Look at these gauges. So awesome.
Been a week, and as you can see, Josh from WRX definitely killed it. You know, the interior looks really as good as it can get. You know, I definitely still need any replacements for this, but the carpet cleaned up really good. It's almost pretty much brand new, it looks like. I put the new floor mats in from Garage Alpha, and that looks super badass. The interior is starting to come up. I got a few other things that I'm trying to address, but that'll be in the next video. But you can definitely see, look at the seats, they look clean. That stain that was right here is gone. You know, it's still 30 years old, and it has like, you know, a little tint to it, but also kind of sun faded. It's like light blue. I'm not sure how they looked like when they came out of the factory, but you can definitely see like it's still 30 years old. So maybe in the future I'll get them reupholstered or even some aftermarket seats, but the ones I want are expensive, and since this is a really narrow fitting, there's only so many seats I can fit in here without it hitting the side panels on the driver's side and passenger side. So, you know, it is what it is. I still haven't put the hood in. That'll probably come in another video. Definitely get that fixed. The gauge is working right now, you know, little by little, you know, coming together, but definitely a lot cleaner. Car's already kind of dirty on the outside, just what happens when you live in Huntington Beach, by the beach and stuff. So forgot to mention, my sunscreen came in, and this thing is amazing. Perfect fit. It's really kind of tough to put in. Not really tough, but definitely requires a little bit of effort. But damn, this thing is like, gives me a really it's like a wall. I'll show you a view from the outside. Alright guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Thanks for watching. I'd like to give a big shout out to Josh at WRX. I'm gonna leave his Instagram, well, probably right here, And then also I'd like to thank Neptune Speed for doing a really good job. Really trustworthy mechanic. He's over there in Huntington Beach. He does not just RX-7s, but he does all cars. So go check out his shop if you're looking for. And I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Thanks for your time. I really appreciate it. Like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. And stay tuned for more videos. Peace. Top 3 cars you would own.
03, 04 Cobra, preferably 04. I would also pick a GT3 RS and an R34 Skyline. Obviously, as you know, R34s are one of my favorites. Well, you guys wouldn't know this, would you? Ha ha ha. No, I'm just kidding. No, R34, I mean, it's iconic. That car got me into the scene of higher horsepower Japanese vehicles. The Cobra has always been a favorite of mine, especially with the wishbone suspension with was it 04 Cobra, sorry. Right? And whoa, GT3 RS, because they're fucking sick. And Josh, you could bleep out effing. You know what I mean?
Effing what?
Effing sick.
My 3 dream cars are RX-7, which I was lucky to obtain, R33 GTR, and 1983 Mustang GT. Kind of easy car to get, but hey, you love what you love, and that's one car I've been obsessed over for a long time, so it has to be black. We'll see. What are your top 3 cars?